Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the burner on your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the burner is damaged or lost. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So here's our stove top. It looks like we've got 3 burners on there and just one cap randomly sitting on top of the grate with no burner on it. So we're going to have to get ourselves a new burner. What I'm going to do here so that we can put our burner on is I'm going to move this grate with the cap just right over here. And now we'll grab our new OEM replacement burner. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So the burner basically controls the flame as it comes up out of this hole here, and it gives you that nice round even flame so that you can cook everything on. For this burner, all we have to do is simply line up this hole here with the starter here, slide it down on top, and that will set our burner cap on top of the burner, and put our cooking grate back on top. And now we're ready to cook again. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.